All right, so where are we heading now? Let's get straight into the markets. Let's get straight into the charts. I think there are two possible scenarios for Bitcoin right now. This is the market structure break line at 1,02,800, if Bitcoin closes a daily candle or two 4-hour candles above this level. It will be very good for Bitcoin. It means there are new all-time highs soon. All right, so for now I think this imbalance is very important for Bitcoin, and I do think this scenario can play out. We can go a little bit lower, maybe till this level. If we break below it, I don't think we are going to break below it, but if we does break below this, then ultimately this, or then the weekly open and then a good bounce. Yeah, so this is what I am expecting now for Bitcoin. It is a highly unlikely scenario that we break below the imbalance and then go to the weekly open. But if we break below this imbalance, if somehow Bitcoin closes below this imbalance and retest it and gets rejection, it will be the time to stay away from trades or to use consider stop loss on your trades. All right, so I don't think this is going to happen. uh, what I think is going to happen is more likely of a little bearish in the very short term, maybe a pullback up to 97,500. It will be very healthy for Bitcoin, and then the continuation till the market structure break or $103,000. Or there is also a scenario, I don't think this is going to play out either, is that we just continue to pump from here. I think this is the most likely scenario to happen, that we just go below, we just go below this level and we trade in this imbalance, get support from here, and ultimately go for that this market structure break and higher. All right, so without wasting any time, let's go straight to Ethereum now. Ethereum is also looking good. Ethereum broke this daily level, currently trading below it. What I think of Ethereum, this is a fair value gap, or you can say it is the imbalance of 4-hour time frame. I think it will also find its support somewhere around here, and I am expecting ETH to just kind of do this kind of thing, and I'm expecting ETH to trade above this 3500 daily level soon. If ETH gets stable here, you can just buy it on spot. You can just buy it on in spot, and your stops will be, if it forms a significant low here, your stops will be below it. Otherwise your stops will be below this, and you can target this daily level a good, it will be a good 2-hour trade. All right, so let's get into the next coin, which is Solana. Solana is looking very bullish right now in the short term. Yeah, Solana is looking bullish. I don't think Solana is going to stay anything. Yeah, I don't think that Solana is going to slow its pace down. It's looking good. It's looking very good. It was a kind of a pullback, a quick pullback, and now we are heading toward this weekly level and this, yeah, and this resistance zone and the supply zone, which was, yeah, it is a resistance zone because it was the sideways price action that led to this dump, and it will play as a resistance, and it will play, this zone will play as a supply zone right now. I think just going to the weekly level or going a little bit above weekly level, something like this, and maybe then a pullback till 200, or yeah, till 200 $205, and then the continuation, and then we can break this supply zone. I don't think that we are going to break this supply zone at once. All right, so let's get to XRP now. XRP is super bullish. I shared this kind of a scenario will happen. I shared that this kind of scenario can happen in XRP. I did have I did had the clear plan of invalidation in case of SFP. I shared it on Twitter, but it happened. I mean, yeah, there you go. If you go into the lower time frame, you can see there was a good breakout, a fine retest. If you take entry here, you must be in profit right now. XRP is trading at its all-time highs. So what to expect for XRP? I think XRP can take resistance from this 1.414 extension level of 3.32, and if it breaks above it, then we are heading towards this golden ratio of 3.5 to 3.57. All right, so next is beam. I have bought beam. uh, I have bought it just here, so I am in this trade. I think beam will do good. Beam is looking positive. It would have looked more positive if it closed any kind of 2 hour candle above this line for a clear market structure break. Anyhow, this is the uh, what you call it, fair value gap for in 2 hour time frame for beam, and I think beam will find its support here, placing stops below this line, below the range low, placing stops below it, below this low, and I think we are heading towards this range mean level. So you can take the trade of beam. On daily we are also looking good. Yeah, there you go. A good range setup, sweep of lows, sweep of previous lows, close back in the range, lower time frame market structure break will be in sometimes, and we are heading towards this level first, and if you can hold it, then this level of range highs, and ultimately the new highs or this high for beam. So this was the market update and some altcoins update. If you like the market update, please do consider hitting that uh, hitting that bell icon and hitting that like button as well. Do subscribe if you got any kind of information from here, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.